Good morning, all of you. Now, today we will do the revision of the literature chapter, The Shepherd's Daughter. Alright, the writer of the letter is William Saroyan, and so let's start with the word meanings. And yes, one thing very important, you need to know the writer's name of each of the chapters that you have in your course, because for reference to context, you could be asked the name of the writer also. So you need to know the name of the writer, the name of the poet, if there's a poem. So you need to know who wrote the chapter or the poem. That is must. Otherwise, you will lose your marks on account of that. You could lose your marks on account of that. Okay, first word, labor. What does labor means?
Ma'am, work hard.
Okay, work hard. Honorable craft.
A respectable work, especially done with hands.
All right, a respectable work, especially done using hands. So, a respectable work with you do using your hands, with you do using your skill. Okay, what is a dungeon?
A dark underground room used as a prison or storage.
All right, so a large underground room, specially used as a, it is used as a prison. Prison, you all know what is a prison? Yes, class 7th, you know what is a prison?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is it?
Jail.
Jail, correct. Okay, lumber. What is the meaning of the word lumber?
Timber that has been cut into rough planks.
Alright, so timber, wood that has been cut into rough planks. Alright, so first we will do reference to context, and then we'll move on to the question answers. Alright, the first one here. Why? He is the son of the king. He does no labor. Who said these words and to whom?
The king's messenger said these words to the shepherd's daughter.
Okay, good. Why did the speaker say these words?
The messenger said these words because the shepherd's daughter has asked him, what labor does the king's son do?
Okay, what labor does the king's son do? Alright, what did the speaker do after these words were spoken?
After these words were spoken, the king's messenger returned to the king and told him that him what the shepherd's daughter had spoken.
Okay, alright. You must learn to do some good work, the making of some item useful to man, something out of clay or out of wood or metal or cloth. Who said these words?
The writer's grandmother said these words.
The writers?
Grandmother said these
Okay, the
words.
writer's grandmother said these words. To whom did the speaker say these words?
The
Grandmother said these words to the writer.
Yes?
the writer said these words to the writer. Writer's grandmother said these words to the writer.
Okay, the writer's grandmother said these words to the writer. What message did the speaker want to convey? What message did the speaker want to pass on? What he wanted to convey? Yes,
The,
come on.
the message that every
Yes, carry on.
that everyone should learn a useful for one craft for one never knew When be useful in life.
All right. So, what the message? What message did the speaker want to convey? Speaker wanted to convey that everyone should know some craft. All right, or the making of something useful with hands, because you never know when it could come in handy. When it could be useful for you, or to even it could even save your life, as it was in the case of the prince. Alright, carry these rugs to the palace of the king of Persians. For each rug, he will give you 100 gold pieces of money. Who said these words and to whom?
The prince said these words to the thieves and murderers.
Okay, the prince said these words to the thieves and murderers. Was the speaker trying to play a trick on the people being spoken to? How so? Was the prince trying to play a trick on the thieves and murderers?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Yes. How?
The prince was trying to play a trick on the thieves and murderers. He knew that when they would carry the rugs to the king, they would not be given gold coins. Instead, the king would capture them and rescue him. So he was intentionally urging them to go to the king.
Alright. Good one. What was special about the rugs that the prince wore? What was so special about the rugs?
The rugs had
Had
secret
secret
messages
messages woven into
woven.
them
Alright. The rugs had
in the
secret
Persian language.
messages woven in them. Okay. Let's move on to the question answers. Yes, Mehek, you want to say something? Wanted to give the answer? Alright. What did the grandmother ask the writer? What did the grandmother ask the writer?
The grandmother asked the writer if he could make anything like a simple table, a chair, a plain dish, or a coffee pot.
Okay. Anyone else with the same answer? Yes. Someone else?
The the grandmother asked the writer if he could make anything like a simple table, a plain dish, or a coffee pot, or a chair.
Okay. Uh, what did the shepherd's daughter want the king's son to do? What did the shepherd's daughter want the king's son to do?
The
The
shepherd's
shepherd's daughter wanted the
daughter
king
wanted
some
one
craft.
Yes, yes. Okay, one by one you can give the answer. First Shraddha you can tell, then Zoina you can tell. Yes, Shraddha.
The shepherd's daughter wanted the prince, to learn some craft.
Alright. Yes, Zoina.
The shepherd's daughter wanted the king's son to learn some craft.
Okay. When did the girl agree to marry the prince? Nusra, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. When did the girl agree to marry the prince?
Ma'am, the girl agreed to marry the prince at the end of 3 days when he learned to make straw rugs in different patterns, colors, and ma'am designs.
Okay, good. Anyone else with the same answer? Yes. Anyone else? Can anyone else tell
The
me this?
girl,
Yes, Joshita.
the, the girl agreed to marry the prince end of 3 days when he learned to make in different patterns, colors, and designs.
Okay. All right. How was the prince taken captive? How was the prince taken captive? one.
The,
How was the prince taken captive?
the prince was taken captive when he entered an eating place in Baghdad. The place was full of thieves and murderers. The place they placed the prince in the large dungeon.
Okay, it is Baghdad. All right. The place name of the place is Baghdad. All right. Anyone else? Anyone else knows the same answer?
Ma'am, the prince was taken captive when he entered an eating place in
Baghdad.
Bhag- Baghdad. The place was full of thieves and murderers. They kept the prince in a large dungeon.
Okay. All right. Uh, what did the writer decided to do after listening to the story?
After listening to the story, the writer decided that as soon as he earned enough money to buy a saw, a hammer, and a piece of lumber, he would do his best to make a simple chair.
Okay. Simple chair or
Or a table.
a shelf for books, something like that.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Someone else also. Is Mehak there?
After
Okay, yes, beta, you tell. Amna?
After listening to the story, the writer decided that as soon as he earned enough money to buy a saw, a hammer, and a piece of lumber, he would do his best to make a simple chair or a book for books.
Or a shelf
Or a
for?
shelf for.
Okay, good. Now, this is a little big one. How did the rugs save the princess life? Prince life. How did the rugs save the life of the prince? Yes, who will tell this? Has anyone learned this one? Yes, anyone in the class has learned this one? How did the rug save the prince's life? No? Mehek, Nusra, Joshita, Shraddha, Amna, anyone?
Mama,
You can
the
try.
rugs help.
Hmm.
The rugs help the prince prove to the thieves and murderers that he was indeed a weaver. When when his woven rugs were taken to the king recognized that they were made by his lost son. The prince's wife detected the secret messages that were woven by the prince in the rugs. Following those messages, the king's soldiers caught the thieves and murderers and rescued the prince and other captives. That was how the rug saved the prince's life.
Okay, good, good, Joshita. Anyone else? Does anyone else know the answer? Yes? No? Will anyone else try? Yes, come on, 7C. You can at least give it a try. Even if you know half of it, it is okay.
The rugs helped the prince to prove to the thieves and murderers that he was indeed a weaver. When his woven rugs were taken to the king recognized that they were made by his lost son. The prince's wife
Detected?
were woven by the prince in the rugs. Following those messages, the king's soldier caught the thieves and rescued the prince and the other captive. That was how the rugs saved the prince's life.
Okay, good try, good try. Alright, so that completes this chapter.